In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is using the SAR indicator as a buy trailing stop. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Parabolic SAR indicator to manage trailing stops for a buy position. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening MetaEditor, which can be done by clicking on the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the trade.mqh file, which allows us to use the trading functions provided by MQL5. We then create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. Inside the OnTick function, we calculate the ask price using the SymbolInfoDouble function. The NormalizeDouble function is used to format the ask price to the number of digits specified by twice digits. Next, we check if there are no open positions using PositionsTotal. If there are no open positions, we open a buy position of 0.0 lots, 10 microlots, using the trade.Buy function. The parameters for this function are the lot size, symbol, null for the current symbol, ask price, stop loss, 0 in this case, take profit, ask price plus 150 points, and a comment null. We then create an array named MySAR to store the SAR values. We define the SAR indicator using the ISAR function, which takes the symbol, period, step, and maximum values as parameters. The step and maximum values are set to 0.02 and 0.2 respectively. The ArraySetAsSeries function is used to sort the MySAR array from the current candle downwards. We then copy the SAR values into the MySAR array using the copyBuffer function, which takes the SAR definition, buffer number 0 for the main buffer, starting position 0 for the current candle, number of values 3 in this case, and the array to store the values. We calculate the SAR value for the last candle using the NormalizeDouble function, formatting it to 5 decimal places. The checkSARBuy trailing stop function is called with the ask price and SAR value as parameters. Inside this function, we loop through all open positions using PositionsTotal. For each position, we get the symbol using PositionsGetSymbol and check if it matches the current symbol. If the symbols match, we get the ticket number using PositionsGetInteger with the PositionsTicket parameter. We then get the current stop loss using PositionsGetDouble with the PositionsSL parameter. If the current stop loss is below the SAR value, we move the stop loss to the SAR value using the trade.Position_Modify function, which takes the position ticket, new stop loss, and take profit, 0 in this case, as parameters. After writing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. We pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the Parabolic SAR indicator to manage trailing stops for a buy position with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, my SAR buy trailing stop is working. I hope yours is working too. If this was too fast for you, you might want to check out the premium course on our website. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.